In this video, I will show you how to make cord in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is unlock the spinning wheel. Now this is unlocked when you get to level 6. And once you've got this, to go ahead and make cord, you actually need to obtain vines. So if you look on the spinning wheel, you currently need 5 vines to make cord. Now in order to obtain vines, you can actually get this from different vegetables, including the pumpkin and some corn. So for example, if I go over to these pumpkins and I collect the pumpkins, you'll see that this is going to drop some vines. So you just want to go around and collect 5 of these. So I'm just going to do that now. So as you can see, I've now got enough vines to make my cord. So now all you need to do is go ahead and locate your spinning wheel. So I'm just going to go ahead and build another one here. And then all you need to do is use the spinning wheel, go ahead and put your vines in to make the cord, and then go ahead and press up to start adding that to your spinning wheel, and what it's going to do is start making the cord. So as you can see, that's currently processing through. It just takes a second or two, and once that's done, you'll be able to go ahead and take the cord. So that is how to go ahead and make cord in LEGO Fortnite. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.